Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Amazon Prime week. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got a special going on now for Prime Day, which is on the 15th. So you guys got a few days. Click on a link, see the discounts they are offering, and some amazing stuff this company has at Govee. And all you gotta do is click and add it to your cart. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping, and you guys will get this in no time. Oh yes, Govee LED strip backlight for your TV, Alexa integrated, Google, I think, all the good stuff, and it's easy to install. I'll be doing the install in a minute after I show you what's in the box. Alright, so this is what you get. And like I said, right now they got their sales are up. And they are up to 60% off. And you can see what kind of products they are offering. And some amazing deals. So they got a lot of cool like light bulbs, the color changing light bulbs, lights outside, bathroom lights. So you will be not disappointed with their selection of tech stuff. And here we go. See what this thing's all about. Govee. There we go. Manual. And it tells you how to put the adhesive on, which is really easy to do. I did an unboxing for the other lights not too long ago. These are the clamps where you put it on your the light strip that's inside here, and I'll show you how to put these on, which is really easy to do. And here's the remote control. You could control it with this remote, or like I said, you could use the app on the phone, or Alexa also. You could just tell her things. So here is a light. Caution. Alright. Definitely be a great gift for somebody. Housewarming gift. Graduation gift. And spice up your gaming room, your movie room, computer room. So you take this end right here and you plug it in. This is USB powered. So I have it like that so far, and then just unspool it and then put it around your TV. And I'm not sure if you could cut these. Oh yeah, you could cut these. Just make sure where you see the scissor markings, that's where you cut. I'm losing my voice. It's been a long day. Sinuses are acting up today, so really cool. But these are bright. You can adjust the dim, turn it off and on, rotate, and change the colors. Or this might be dim. So Govee, they got a cool app. I gotta have some fun. Go on your Android and the search. Govee. Oops. Govee Home. That's what it's called. You want to hit install. Look at that. Zoom in. There we go. Open. Pretty cool startup. And you could sign in, I think. Log in right here. I'm going to enter my password. I'll be right back. Almost there, guys. Just a few more numbers. Alright. Open. I got it going. allow. That's gonna ask you like to allow your location access and stuff. And you gotta search it on your Bluetooth, which is really easy to find. And this is the other light I have for my bedroom. You can set timers on it, how long you could have the light on. So set it for like 2 or 3 hours if you're watching a movie. Gaming, you might want to have it longer on. If you're doing your Twitch or your Mixer, you might want to have these lights on running a lot longer than you would for watching a movie. Then you can always join their Savior Club. Let's see. I should hook it up now because this is USB powered, so this is going to be easy. Yeah, I'm definitely losing my voice. Or actually, what do we got here? Oh boy, I forgot about this guy. Oh, okay, this is the power adapter for the wall socket too. So, I mean, you can use your computer also. So if you have a monitor, you can hook this up to the monitor behind your PC and do it up that way too. And but we're gonna do my TV in my room, so I'm gonna set this all up. I'm gonna show you the install. Right now I just gotta charge my phone up. It's about to die, so next time we're gonna be in my room setting up this. I mean, you guys are gonna love this stuff because I mean the colors are really sweet. You could change the scenery. I'll show you really quick. Go bedroom. There we go. See, you can change the color of the scenes, and it'll have like a movie scene, dating scene, snowflake, blinking, romantic. So a lot of great, and you could also customize your own, do it yourself, add your own colors to it, change the circulation mode, the brightness or the speed, and then you can have it on morning. It's really cool. Sunset, music, rolling rhythm, spectrum, and you can change the brightness. So I'm gonna have it on. But this is for my bedroom lamp lights. So this is not these lights. I'll show you those in a minute though. But really cool. So alright, I'm gonna charge my phone. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with part 2. We are gonna set up on this TV right here. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. They got a really sweet special going on right now. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, here we go. This is the TV backlight H6182. This will be the first one in the new arrivals column. Up to 60% off. They have sale going on right now. So you guys might want to jump on it right now. Add it to your cart before they sell out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. It's really easy. They have these little hinges, I guess, holders to hold the LEDs in. These little backlights. And then we might need these, so I'm going to see where we could go with these. And back here it says adhesive. And I do believe these are the ones you could cut. It has a line light there with the scissors going through, so I do believe you can cut these easily. But hopefully we don't need to. And all I gotta do is go on your iOS or Android. I'm using Google Play because I got Android. And type in Govee. Pop up the sweet app they got going on. And this is from the other lighting I had. The bedroom. Or the, yeah, kind of like the wall lights and stuff like that for your man cave and basement or whatever you want to do with it. But here we go. See? Kind of like these. And they got different scenes, color, music. goes to the beat. So if you're watching a movie, listen to music, go off and stuff like that. Spectrum, it's pretty sweet. Rolling. Does all that. You can set the alarms to it, timers, do it yourself mode. So I'm going to show you the TV mode. This one. Turn this one off. 1 sec. Okay, so gotta find a spot on your TV. I'm gonna probably somewhere around down in here. I'm gonna wire it up. First, you get a little cotton swab, alcohol swab, right here. That you're gonna need to wipe it down. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. There it goes. Okay, okay. So definitely check out what other goodies they have to offer, and maybe get yourself one and family members one. Gotta like these lights. Save on electricity also, and light bulbs. Make sure my device is connected. Yeah, it's easy to connect to with the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So it's very simple. And just gotta apply like so. Just wipe around, just get the dirt off so it can stick on better. I don't know if you guys can see. Go back here around. And down here. Just nice and easy on the ledges. Just clean off the dirt, the dust. So like I said, it'd be easier to stick when you see you apply it. I'm gonna pause you guys 1 second so I can get it started. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are. We got this going down here. It's simple. There's a little adhesive right there. You just peel and stick. They got little connectors right in here. You just pull apart in case you want to add on to it, or make it smaller. So you do have options, but you could also cut it, like I said. Really cool. I'm about to finish the top part and then turn it on and set it all up. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. You're watching the movie. That'll be going off. So it'll be really sweet for Netflix and other movie nights you guys have. And like I said, all you gotta do is download the Govee app. Really easy. Google Play, iOS, either or. Oops. Type in Govee. And it should go Govee Home. I already got it installed. Oh, time to update. It was so easy to connect. I'll show you that in a second also. I don't know if you can tell by this, but that's what it looks like back here. It's holding on pretty good. Boom, boom, boom. Then gotta open the app. See, I already got the bedroom light and then my TV. So you click on the TV. Bada boom. And you can change the brightness, do it yourself, the mode, color. You make it solid color, like green. So this is really sweet. Red, purplish. You guys can see. And then, like I said, it has timers. You can have it set for, and open time 1, open time 2. You could really do. This would be a great Christmas gift for any gamer out there, especially now with the Mixer, the Twitch. Everybody's getting into this LED phase. Maybe you can put it underneath your bed also. I think they do have those also. Once you hit the link down below, you can check them out. You can change the scenes. This is called Movie Night Scene right there. Dating for Netflix and chill, or Amazon Prime. And then Candlelight. Kind of flashes like a candle. Romantic. Ooh la la. And Breathe. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's like a heartbeat. Doo-doom. Oh, it changes too. Alright, that's cool. Blinking. I won't do that one. Energy. See, I think I got all those scene ones. Mode. Yeah, we'll make it solid. There's a white balance. Aqua. See it reflect out the wall. Orange. Orange is cool. And then there is a controller that you could use also. I'll show you that in a second once I finish this up right here. So really cool. So definitely check that out. And then I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the controller. It comes with an adhesive if you want to stick it somewhere. And then it has different levels, sequences, you could always switch. So in case your Wi-Fi goes out or something like that situation, turn it off, turn it on. You make it blink. Just keep on pressing it to change the scenes. Doo-doo, doo-doo. This might annoy my neighbors. I think I should do it on repeat, solid color. And that's doing it just by 1, 2, and off. And there it is. So there you go. Like I said, they got a sweet sale going on right now. Just in time for Prime Day is coming, so get this shipped to you guys in no time. Definitely take advantage of the sales. Take one for yourself, get one for a family or a friend. So check it out, YouTubers. That's what it looks like. TV. Really cool, really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great day and see you guys soon.